Stefan Hartmann. Now we're here and to have a short explanation about what is HTPS.
Right, okay, thanks for giving me the chance. So HTPS stands for high temperature polysilicon, and that means it's a very special LCD panel. Normal flat screens are produced on very big wafers, so very, very big mother glass plates, which are 2 by 3 meters, for example, while HTPS is a very, very small, tiny projection technology, so the LCDs are just 0.7 inch large, for example. So they are produced on wafers like a silicon chip, like semiconductors, like Intel Pentium chip, for example. We produce on 12-inch wafers. So this is a pure semiconductor process, which at the end brings us to this kind of product, which is the HTPS panel itself. So inside a projection engine, we have 3 of these LCDs to modulate the red, green, and blue light continuously and recombine these 3 modulated light beams in a prism, which is this component up here. So here on the right side, you see this structure of these 3 panels actually mounted on a single prism. So this X-cube, as it's called, that's the core part for modulating the light. So before that, you actually have a white light source. You separate the white light beam with dichroic mirrors into red, green, and blue color compounds, which are then going to this X-cube, so are modulated by the 3 HTPS panels before it's modulated or recombined in the X-cube in the prism. And then as full color image projected out through the projection lens.
Okay. So this is
a light engine, as it's called, so that contains all the components. Just the light source itself is in this case an LED just made up, because otherwise a real light source would be too bright. So it shows the different components. It shows how small, tiny that stuff basically is, but it's not shrink to the max. So you could even shrink it further if that's the wish.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks a lot.